Alright folks, I just hit up the ATM to get some money. I'm headed to Florida to get a fishing kayak. Let's go. Have arrived at the destination to pick up this kayak. Found it on Facebook Marketplace for a good deal. And let's take a look at it.
The pictures, I put a sticker on there, but you can just pull it off.
Right. Oh no, that's perfect. I like that. Cool. That's gonna be perfect. I live not too far, about 8 miles from the river. And that's gonna work perfect for me.
It's been good for me. I just ended up getting, somebody gave me a good deal on the pedal ones, then I bought that one.
Oh yeah.
Now I needed room to put that one on the wall.
Right.
So I had me and the wife one. And hope you enjoy.
So we got it loaded up, tied down. Let's get back to Georgia. So we're here at the fishing camp. Check on the water levels. It's very low. Can't even get the boat in. But we're gonna walk out here and check the river levels. Through the trail we go. Watch out for snakes in here. Oh yeah. Satilla River is skinny. A lot of sandbar. A lot of sandbar. A good place to go camping though. I believe we can get the boat through there. Just found this frog right up here in this tree limb. Still has some line attached to it. I was able to grab it. And it fell down there in the water. So I had to jump down there and grab it. But the hooks are all rusted out. The body's still in good shape though. I about imagine. Yeah, it looks like fish beds right here. I don't see any fish on them. The old beds. Found a new trail coming out from the fish camp that leads you all the way down here to these pretty sandbars. Looks like we're on the beach. Now we gotta hike another 200 yards to get back to the camp through the woods. Me and the old man. See, there's a river right up there.
There's got a deer standing down there.
Where?
I don't see it. We'll see it in a minute.
Made it back to camp. So made it back home with the kayak. And here she is. Probably not going to be able to put it out on the water until next week. Friday and Saturday it's supposed to rain. And I might be on the boat tomorrow and possibly Monday. I don't fish on Sundays, so definitely not going to be out on the water then. Now it did have a saltwater sticker on there, measuring sticker. I took the salt water off because I highly doubt I'm going to be in the ocean. And I had this Georgia DNR measuring sticker in my house, so I went ahead and put that on there. Got to make sure we're keeping legal size fish. All right, folks, on to the next.